Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the account email or phone linked to the service. This ensures the notification went to the right channel. Once done, open the app or web account on the device that should have received the alert. Make sure notifications and sign-in log access are enabled in your profile settings so the system records events. This immediate setup gets you straight to finding the sign-in notice without wasting time on unrelated troubleshooting. You now look inside Notifications and the app's security area. Tap the bell or open Settings Security Activity or Sign-in Logs. Once inside, sort or filter entries by recent date and by device or IP address so you isolate the event quickly. If the app records location, use that to confirm legitimacy. While scanning, compare timestamps and device names. This is how you verify whether it was you or an unauthorized attempt that triggered the alert. You finish by verifying device name, timestamp, and IP to confirm the sign-in. If it's unfamiliar, immediately revoke that session and change your password. Make sure to pick a strong new password. Once secure, enable two-factor authentication for future alerts and logins. If you still see suspicious activity, contact support and provide the activity details. Troubleshooting tip: if notifications aren't appearing, check OS level notification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.